Hi guys, it's Chris back again with another RVi trip tip. Today we're going to be taking a look at the lights on the RVibrake Shadow and what exactly they mean. Let's get to it. The first light you're going to see on your Shadow once you hook it up to the battery is going to be our standard flashing blue LED. Now if you're familiar with any of our other products, you'll know that this is pretty standard across the board, and it's used to communicate A, that the battery is in good condition, and B, that our unit is transmitting. So this is a great sign. We want to see that flashing blue LED at all times. If we ever see anything other than a flashing blue LED, such as a solid blue LED, please contact customer support, as that typically means there's some kind of error that needs to be resolved. Next up is our center light. This light will illuminate when you plug in your 6-pin cable going down to the booster box. This should be a solid green light. If you ever see a red light here, again, make sure to reach out to customer support, as that means there's some kind of error within the system that needs to be resolved. And finally, on the left-hand side, we have our charging light. Now, this LED is very important because the charging components in the Shadow essentially function as the on-off switch for the unit. So we do need to see a light on this side of things in order for everything to work properly. If your charging components are wired up properly, then you should see a green light. This can be either flashing or solid, either is fine. If you see a red or a yellow light on this side of things, that just means we're not getting enough voltage from the RV, and you'll want to reach out to customer support. If you ever test your breakaway on the Shadow, which we do encourage doing during installation, then you'll notice that all 3 lights will flash in unison and they'll be red in color. This is normal, just alerting you that there's a breakaway or a breakaway test in progress, and as soon as you reinsert your breakaway pin, those lights will resume their normal functions.